I'm going to keep calling it like that.
I don't know how we can... will you sit down?
Greatest wrestlers ever.
Are you talking about UDS and the Bulldozer?
Absolutely not, Styles, but that goes back to your low IQ. It's all right, 12 is still a number.
Oh. I'll tell you what a main event for the first hour. Hey, Steve, before the main event starts, I want to tell you next week I have not one, but two major announcements. So fans, you really want to tune in next Sunday for the major announcements that I have. One, a humongous scoop in Mountain State Wrestling.
Well, if I pray really hard, I'm hoping that one of them is your retirement.
Oh!
I'll also accept the Maestro's retirement, Diablo Jr.'s retirement, or if you can tell me Carl's not going to come back to the Mountain State, that would be fantastic.
How did you know that Carl was coming back to Mountain State Wrestling?
Well, I looked outside and I saw a dog trying to bite his own head off, so I assumed Carl must be on his way back. But back to the action in the ring. Dynamite Derek in firm control with that armlock. Goes behind, side headlock. Johnny Blast trying to grab the hair. Not a lot to grab there. Dynamite Derek, a thinking man. Sure of that. Blast sends him off the ropes. Giant shoulder block though. Bounds off the ropes.
Was there a blind tag to Brian Kyle? I wasn't absolutely 100% sure on that last one.
And the Gift offering support and advice to Dynamite. So they can turn things around here. Johnny Blast had a flurry of offense. There's nothing wrong with putting that to a halt by any means necessary. And Dynamite right back to the side headlock. Tag into Jason the Gift. Kick to the gut, side headlock there. And the Gift is now in firm control of this one. The Giftourage is in firm control of this one.
And I would eat those quickly because look, Johnny Blast, oh yeah, great hip toss, baby.
A brief flurry, Jonathan Styles. The Gift is the man who will hold that heavyweight championship that I'm lucky enough to lay my hands on now. The Gift's true heavyweight championship. And brief flurries are brief flurries, but the Gift is forever.
Well, I gotta tell you, fast fact, this match was not originally supposed to have the Bulldozer in it. It was supposed to be Chance Profit, but Chance Profit still nursing those injuries from the attacks of Jason the Gift Kincaid in the locker room.
Spider Crowley forcing Brian into the corner.
A clean break by Spider Crowley.
Well, there's a mistake if I've ever seen one. I thought he was intelligent enough to bend the rules to his advantage, but no.
He was intelligent enough to show sportsmanship, which he does.
Intelligent enough to show sportsmanship. I'm sorry, but I've never seen a handshake in a match, Jonathan Styles.
Takes Brian Kyle down to the mat. Brian Kyle now trying to figure out what happened. And here comes a human wrecking machine, the Bulldozer.
This man is a force of destruction. And if you want to talk about a clash of the Titans, Bulldozer Brian Kyle, there's a tag into the Gift. And Bulldozer, a drop toe hold? Really?
Yes.
Into a front face lock. And the Gift is in trouble, and the Bulldozer so much size. That is a terrific maneuver for a man like him. So much girth, so much size. It's hard to get him off his feet. It's harder to get him up on his feet. And you see, even a wrestler as gifted as Jason Kincaid having a hard time getting back up to a vertical base against the Bulldozer, but he does because he's the Gift, and that's why he does.
He uses mass. He pulls on hair. He cheats.
Wait. You did earlier, Styles, and I saw it and chose not to call it because I'm dignified like that.
What?
But you had no problem earlier when Blast was grabbing Jason the Gift Kincaid's hair.
He never grabbed Kincaid's
Are
hair.
you blind as well as stupid?
Oh, test of strength now I think Kincaid is kind of acting stupid now.
Well, I'd have to disagree with you there. The Bulldozer thought that the Gift was going to go for a Greco-Roman knuckle off, and he's really going for a stiff boot to the gut. Now tag to Dynamite did, and that's what the thinking now. Bulldozer was thinking 1 move ahead, Greco-Roman knuckle off. The Gift was thinking 5 moves ahead, straight to the tag, straight to the Giftourage, regaining the advantage.
Oh, look at that forward kick by Dynamite Derek Bowen.
Dynamite's so dangerous, and that's why I love him. He is a true artist out there. He is Dynamite.
I wouldn't go that far.
I would. You know what stops a Bulldozer, Jonathan Styles? Dynamite. That blows it right up.
Look at the despicableness, the wickedness of Jason Kincaid
The
choking out.
intelligence of Jason Kincaid, the Bulldozer's dangerous. You surely know that, Jonathan Styles. And Jason the Gift Kincaid is not going to put his team in a situation where the Bulldozer can make full use of his strength and power.
Bulldozer's just fighting back with those big hamhocks. I tell you what, if there's anybody who can definitely fight back from her, what do you call that? TYHF?
TYFHA, take your freaking head off clotheslines. And do you see the intensity of these forearm shots? And Brian, God almighty, you want to get hit legitimately? You go up against the legit hit, Brian Kyle, and he will TYFHO, take your freaking head off. That's the Bulldozer, how he's feeling.
Oh, he's getting choked out by Kincaid. Where's the referee?
Doing what he should be doing. Keeping out the misfits named Johnny Blast and Spider Crowley. Chase Kincaid springboards off the ropes. Drop kick to the Bulldozer. 1, 2, and almost Jonathan Styles.
I tell you what, Bulldozer's more resilient than that.
And you see Dynamite taunting Blast and Crowley while he stomps on every single part of the Bulldozer's anatomy. Goes for the cover. And the Bulldozer is looking like a weakened man right now, Jonathan Styles, and that is a hard thing to accomplish. But the Giftourage, they're that easy. You see it with moves like that. Knee straight to the head. And Bulldozer's in some serious trouble right now.
I want a referee getting caught by a poor misguided Johnny Blast, which allows the Giftourage to use the double team efforts that they like to take advantage and get the upper hand.
Well, you can call it taking advantage of the situation, but the key word in that sense is they have the advantage, Jonathan Styles, and what a terrific kick to the head of the Bulldozer there. And you see Brian Styles showing off his agility there. That's something we don't talk about a whole lot. We talk about the speed, the power, and the knowledge, but he's also very agile. Bulldozer, though, fighting his way back up to his feet.
With a headbutt, looks like a little bit of dizziness there. Just maybe if he'd been a little faster on the draw, would have caught the short end of the stick, and now legit fighting out of the corner.
Fighting out of the corner, that's an understatement. Dominating out of the corner is probably a better way to phrase that. You see when he delivers those forearm shots to the Bulldozer, he very intelligently holds onto the Bulldozer's head to keep him from falling over so he can deliver as many rapid fire shots as possible. Double team here by Dynamite and the Gift.
What's the referee doing? Why is he allowing both men to be in the ring at the same time?
Nice spinning kick to the Bulldozer there by Jason the Gift. European uppercut. And the Bulldozer, how often have you seen this, Jonathan Styles? The Bulldozer is at a serious and prolonged disadvantage.
I think, if anything, the only reason the Bulldozer is at the disadvantage is because of the underhanded tactics of the Giftourage.
The intelligent tactics of the Giftourage. Most gifted tactics ever. You like how I keep reiterating the fact that they're gifted? Because they're very gifted. Look at that, look at that. It's Dynamite with the most gifted dominance ever. Over a man like the Bulldozer, how many people can do that?
Dozer, and the fans getting behind the Dozer.
The Muppets are cheering for the big man. But Dynamite answers with a forearm blow to the back. Stiff shot to them, sends Bulldozer into the corner. Comes right in.
Oh, wow, what a great elbow by the Dozer. And bam,
Oh, Carter! Come on, Dynamite!
Come on, Bulldozer, come on! Make that tag, Spider's out there!
And you can feel the tension in this arena. Who's going to be the first man to make it to his corner? Dynamite, first man to a kneeling position, trying to crawl over to Jason the Gift, trying to crawl over to Brian Guy, and gets to Jason Kincaid. But Spider finally also gets the tag. Shot to the head of the Gift. Another shot to the head, sends him off the ropes. Reversal of the Irish whip. Looks under. DDT by Spider Crowley. And a cover. 1, 2.
Oh, I thought he was going to have the pin. It's like mass pandemonium out there. You got men fighting on the outside. You got Spider Crowley dismantling Jason the Gift Kincaid on the inside.
And the Gift in trouble right now as the Bulldozer makes his way in through the ring ropes. Measures the Gift. Giant forearm blow to the back. Positions him.
Is he putting him up in the cement mixer? No,
he's not. And you see, legit going through the baseball bat. And he kicks the Bulldozer in the gut. Slow boy, 1, 2, and a 3. Thank you, God. Thank you, God.
Fans, I know you're wondering yourself, Outlaw Rockstar, how can I see Mountain State Wrestling? Well, pay attention because that information is coming right at you right now.
In my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and I changed it to play how I like, rearranged it to my own domain. Yeah, I got what it takes, made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got
December 4th, Summersville, that's where we're hitting. See the Brothers Birds in live action, NWA, Mountain State Wrestling. Punch time, baby. Woo!
What's up, West Virginia? The one-man wrecking crew Bulldozer here, just letting you know that I will be returning to Hitting West Virginia on Friday, December 10th. So bring everybody you know. Bring your family, your friends, bring your grandmother. Because it's going to be a hell of a time. Because the Bulldozer crushes all.
Saturday, December the 11th, Rand, West Virginia. Come on, people, check it out. The People's Champion, ooh la la, Strozilla, Stro the Maestro of Wrestling is coming at you. And it's the big one, baby. Rand, West Virginia, check it out. Bring your mamas, bring your babies, bring your grandmas and your grandpas. Bring your brothers and sisters. Let's pot it down. Rand, West Virginia, ooh la la.
Tell you what, fans, what a great hour of wrestling action we've seen.
That's an understatement. What a fantastic, spectacular, I can't believe God's gift to professional wrestling here every week hour we had.
I tell you, an important Matt Barnett getting the beating by Matt Conard in that opening contest against Diablo Jr.
Well, you got a being from Conrad and Diablo Jr. there. The Chupacabra cannot be trusted. He is a sly, evil little creature, and I hate him.
But Conard got his just desserts when the Maestro made him tap like a little girl.
And then the Maestro foolishly turned his back, and he got waylaid and
Oh, absolutely. Conard is going to be a force to be reckoned with. And you could tell that in our third match where Ricky Shane was able to successfully retain that television title as Conard had put the screws to Barnett. Barnett, maybe another time, another place.
Barnett was in no condition for that one. He's going to have another day, though. Maybe it'll be next week. It just wasn't this time.
And then the underhanded tactics of the Giftourage saw them defeat the Bulldozer.
The intelligent.
The underhanded.
The intelligent.
Underhanded.
At any rate, the Giftourage victorious this week, like they always are, because they're champions and they're gifted.
Fans, we'll see you next week, Sunday, 11 a.m. on Fox 59.